Okay, we're at part B, induced magnetic field. I've got the power supply. This is the power supply right here. Positive coming into a switch here. The switch going into the primary, what they call the primary coil of the. Oops, I'm caught. The primary coil of the solenoid. And it comes back to the negative. Now it draws quite a bit of current, so I'm just going to do these quickly. You can see the magnet right now. Well, let me back it away. It's pointing north. The south is pointing north. Hopefully, you'll be able to kind of see it. You'll see as I flip the switch, you'll see a deflection, and it pulled the opposite pole in that direction. I think you should be able to see it. Let me see if I can close up. Right now, the north is this way. That's the way it's pointing. If I flip the switch, it reverses. Can you see that? Okay, now let's see if I can do it on this other side. Oops. And see what kind of effect we get. Yep, it didn't quite go the same all the way. Let's try it again. I'll hold it up a little bit. Oh, whoa, it's just spinning and spinning and spinning. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, and it pulls the opposite direction. Okay, now let me see if I can. I will send you a drawing of what if I can see. I think the field is a little weak. I will draw you what I see and send it to you. But you can see it forms it in the shape of it looks like a magnet. All right, and let's stop that.